Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought I would do kind of a neat little test to see if you guys could guess what coin I am dropping on this bowl by the sound of it. I won't be showing you the coins, but I will list off the coins that I will be using, and let's get on with that. So have a 1993 penny, a 1994 nickel, and a 2017 dime, and then I have a 2016 quarter, and then I have a 1943 quarter, which I believe is actually 70% silver, and then I have a 1984 half dollar, and then I have a mystery coin that I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it is a 2007 coin, and it is a US coin. Some of you guys might guess what that is, but let's just go on with this. So I'm going to drop 2 coins, and I will tell you what these 2 coins are, just to give you a baseline of what they sound like. So I will start out with the 2016 quarter, and I will drop that twice from about 1.5 inches away from the bowl. And then I will drop it again. And then we are going to go for the 93 penny, same distance. Okay, now let's start off with our random list, and I will pick up any one of these coins and leave a post in the comments of what you think the coin might be that I am dropping by the sound of it. So let's continue on with that. So up first, coin number 1. Next up, coin number 2. And then coin number 3. And then coin number 4. Coin number 5. And then next up, coin number 6. And then we have the mystery coin, which I want you to guess which coin this is. Now, leave a post in the comments and with your guess of what coin it is, and I will try to reply back to you guys if I don't get flooded with comments of if you got the answer right or not. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and please share this video with your friends. See you guys later.